Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today continues the saga of broken things on my Mercedes. This time with another broken wheel. Yet again. Also, can we appreciate my dad's new ride? Like, check that out. Oh my gosh. I need to get me one of those. So about 20 miles outside of St. George on our way to Newport Beach, the TPMS sensor went off for that wheel, and after spraying lots of soapy water on it, we found that it is indeed cracked, just like our front passenger wheel cracked before. So we need to pull this off. Tomorrow we're going to take it up to some people in Salt Lake that are going to weld it, and we will have a functioning wheel again. So let's get this in the garage, get this wheel pulled off. All right, so this is what $1,200 a wheel gets you. A ticking time bomb. So basically, just like the other wheel, if you've seen that vlog, this one has cracked basically the exact same. It's on the inside, just like the other wheel. The crack looks pretty much just like the other crack. You know, it's just like right on the edge here. It goes to about where the wheel starts curving in, but yeah, this little bubby, yeah, that kind of bit us in the butt on our way to vacation. So tomorrow we'll get this wheel taken up to BTI up in Salt Lake City. They should be able to weld this for us, should be able to buff it out and everything so that we'll have a functioning wheel again. Luckily, that repair should only cost around $200, which is $1,000 saving over buying a whole new Mercedes AMG alloy wheel, which is just basically going to crack again. So long term, so probably next several months, we'll have to see how things go. We're just going to replace all the wheels. I mean, we can't, these things are literally a ticking time bomb. They crack all the time. The forums are filled with people that have had these things crack. There's been a lawsuit about it. Unfortunately, they didn't win, it looks like, but yeah. Ticking time bomb. Your Mercedes wheels will crack. Also, your sunroof is basically guaranteed to eventually break. For the amount of money you spend on the product as a whole and on parts for repairs, that premium, you really shouldn't have to be dealing with stuff like cracked wheels and broken sunroofs because a tiny plastic piece broke. What is up with this, Mercedes? Like, seriously, what's up with this? So we'll pick this up tomorrow or Wednesday, whichever one actually happens. Where this is fixed, we'll get it back on and we'll go from there. So see you soon. All right guys, so it is Wednesday. We've got the wheel back. You can see, if we poke right through here, you can see where they welded it, if it'll focus on that. Focus, dude. There we go. So you can see the weld. Not quite as flush as I was imagining they might make it, but it should work. We'll find out, but everything should be balanced, should be straightened, should all be happy. We are suffering severely from allergies and the head cold right now, so we're just going to pull this out. We're going to wash it off because it is filthy. I mean, it is very filthy. And we're going to call it there because I sound awful right now, and I don't really have anything else at the moment to go over. But wheels fixed. We're stoked about that. Kind of regret not keeping our other front wheel that broke because that only costed $150 plus tax, whereas buying a whole new rim would have been like $1,300. So definitely a nice fix. Pretty stoked about that. But yeah, that'll wrap things up for this vlog. I will see you guys later. So long.